Hello students, today we will do the revision of chapter volume and surface area of solids, and today we will revise cylinder. Now the curved surface area of cylinder. See, this is a rectangular shape, and whenever you will fold it, it will be in the cylindrical form. So this length will be 2 pi r. Whenever you will fold it, it is in the form of cylinder. So this circular form, the circumference of this circular form is 2 pi r. So length of this rectangle will be 2 pi r, and suppose this is h, its breadth is h, then the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h. Length into breadth, area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length is 2 pi r and breadth is h. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now this is the formula for area of curved surface. Now the total surface area of cylinder has two circles. Area of one circle is pi r square. So total surface area of cylinder is curved surface area plus area of two circles. Curved surface area 2 pi r h, and area of two circle is one circle pi r square, two circle is 2 pi r square. Take 2 pi r as common. You can write in this way also, 2 pi r h, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Take 2 pi r as common, h plus r. In this way also you can use this formula. Now questions. Example 1. The radius of a right circular cylinder is 7 centimeters. Height is 20. Find its curved surface area and total surface area. Curved surface area formula 2 pi r h. Use the value of pi 22 upon 7. Radius is 7, height is 20. Since it is curved surface area, its unit will be square. So 880 centimeter square is the answer. Total surface area 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Put all the values. 2 pi r h, you can write from here, 2 pi r square. Just solve the 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7, that is 308. So answer is 1188 centimeter square. Example 2. Curved surface area of right circular cylinder. Example 2. Curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 35 cm is 121 cm square. Find the radius of the base. Formula for curved surface area 2 pi r h. And it is given 121. So just put the value 2 into 22 upon 7. You have to calculate r. Height is 35. Do the cross multiply. 7 will multiply by 121. And this will come to the downside. Do the cutting. 0.55 centimeter is the answer. And if you have to calculate the diameter, then you will do the double of the radius, because diameter is 2r. Example 4. The diameter of roller is 84 and its length is this. It is a diameter, so we will calculate the radius. D upon 2, that is 42. And length 120. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move 1 over 2 level playground. Find the area of the playground. So whenever you will roll in this way, road roller roll in this way, it means its curved surface area will be used. This part and this part will not be used. Only this part, curved surface area. So you have to calculate curved surface. You have to calculate the area in meter square. So convert into meter also. 42 upon 100 meter. Length of the roller 120 upon 100, that is 6 upon 5 meter. So area of the playground level by the roller in 1 complete revolution. So lateral surface area of roller 2 pi r h. Put all the values. This is the lateral surface area. Now area level in 500 complete revolution. Multiply by 500. So this is the answer. Example 5. Find the total surface area of hollow cylinder. Open it both ends. If its length is 12, the external diameter is 10 and thickness 2. See, this thickness is 2. So outer radius 5, thickness 2. Inner radius is given 5. Inner radius will be outer minus thickness. You will subtract 2 from this side. 5 minus 2, 3. So you will calculate outer cut surface, inner cut surface area. 2 pi RH, outer radius 5, length 12, so 125. Inner radius 3, length 12, 72 pi. Now, since you have to calculate the total surface area, you will take the area of the rim also. There are 2 circles. So, since it is hollow, so you will use this formula for area of one end of cylinder, pi r square minus pi r square. You will subtract both the radius. Outer is 5, inner is 3. So this is 16 pi. Area of both ends, since it is having 2 ends, 1 and 2. So multiply by 2, 32 pi. So total surface area of cylinder is external cut surface, internal cut surface plus 2 into area of the base. Put all the values added to 24 pi centimeter square. Now put the value of pi 22 upon 7, 704 centimeter square is your answer. So okay student, do your revision. Bye bye.